Hi, I'm Matt. Today I'm going to be welding a hinge onto our snowmobile trailer. So a subscriber asked for a shout out, so I'm going to shout him out now. RJ. Link down to his YouTube channel in the description. So today I'm putting on a hasp so then we don't have to use this anymore to keep these from falling down. So that's basically going to go on there just like that. So first, I want to line everything up. I need to grind this, and then we'll start welding. I need something to ground my welder out to, so I'm just going to make a little mark here so I can ground it out. I need to select my, yeah, I had that on grind mode. I'm glad I checked that. Alright, let's put a tack. Well, that's pretty good. I should hold there. Yep. Now, this welder is not very good, so unfortunately I can't continuous weld this. Not very well. So I'm going to stitch weld this. Basically, if you're wondering, a continuous weld is when you bring it up here and you just weld it like this. A stitch weld is when you put individual dots in there to weld it up. Not too shabby. Back this sucker in place. Turn that, pull that off, looks good, and weld it up. Alright, let me go get a wire brush and we'll clean those welds up. Not too bad. Too bad. Alright, well, let's put some paint on these so then they don't rust. Really, the reason why we needed to do this was because we used to use this thing to hold these together. And it never really did work well. So we finally decided to just put a hinge in.